Good morning, students. Obviously, I am not there with you today, but I wanted to make sure that you had specific instructions on what you were supposed to work on today. All right, so first, once we log into Edmodo, remember you're supposed to be working on this Understanding Meiosis document. So what I need you to do, everyone should have finished taking all their notes. So, and if we remember in this document, let's get a preview. If you remember in this document, to the bottom of this document, there were these review questions. So what I need you to make sure that you do today, first step, is to go ahead and turn in your answers to these questions. If you need to copy and paste it onto a Microsoft Word document, or you can copy and paste it right into the turn in button. Either of those would work, but everyone needs to submit, turn in their answers to those questions today. So go ahead and turn that in. I've changed the due date, so I want you to go ahead and turn that in today. Second step, most of you got or received from me two documents. If you look on the board at the agenda, you'll see the flow chart, and then there's a unit review, unit 6 review, part 1 and part 2. Those documents are on my desk, so make sure you check with the sub and get those documents. Some of you already have those papers, so go ahead and finish those questions up and make sure you answer those. If you're finished with that, go ahead and hold on to it. I'll pick those up next class. And if you don't finish, keep working on it until you finish. If you're already finished and you have all of that complete, if you look on the board next to agenda, you'll see the next thing that you're working on is the Meiosis Project. So if you go to your folders, and mine will look a little different than yours, however, if you go to folders, so I'm going to my Unit 6 folder, and you scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see this document that says Meiosis Project Options. So I need you to open that, and this is where you'll find the options for your Meiosis project. Now there are 5 different options. You only need to pick one option and start planning and developing that one option, right? You'll notice the different options require different group amount of people in the group. So each of them can be done individually. Some of them, however, you can use with a group of 4. So this first project, if you choose this one, that's definitely an independent group. You cannot do that. Independent project, you cannot do this one with a group. Project 2, you can do anything up to 4 people in the group. You can do 3 people, 2 people, or 4 people in the group for Project 2. Project 3 is an individual project. Project 4 you may do with 3 people maximum in the group. Project 5, 2 people maximum in the group, maybe 3 depending on how you develop out the movie, right? So all the requirements for the projects are there. You can make some alterations. Just make sure your alterations get approved by me. For example, this flip book, everyone knows what a flip book is. You draw still pictures and you flip it and you'll see the pictures moving after a while. So this one you can do physically or digitally. And I put an example on your home page. So let's go back to the home page of a digital flip book. So right here is an example. Let's go to B-Day. And we're going to hide this. Right here is an example of a digital flip book. You can look at this. It was created in PowerPoint, but I saved it as a movie, so in this version it flows kind of quickly. I'll probably post the PowerPoint at some point. However, this is an example of a digital flip book and kind of how that works, right? So again, you can choose any project that you want to choose, and you need to start working on that. The projects will be due when we come back from Easter holiday, but I need you to go ahead and start working on that and getting that developed. If you have gotten as far as you can as far as developing this out, you can also go ahead and start studying your vocabulary for Unit 6. If you guys have any questions, please email me. I'll be on email. You can reach me by email and I'll respond as soon as possible. All right. Hope you guys have a great day and stay focused. Don't be too loud. Bye.